Hey everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to discussing about what is DevOps. Yes, many of professionals and who are seeking job profession in IT software industry who are eagerly looking this trending job opportunity. So DevOps is a technology and also we can say that it's a simple tool where the configuration tool is going to be established a collaboration with the IT software development team and the IT, the maintenance and the servers who are taking care of IT professionals like maintaining of administration, system maintenance and networking, security. These are the group of people where collaborating and making a work faster way. So these all are comes and sitting in the tool of DevOps. So the DevOps is like the DEV and OPS development operations, where you have to concentrate more and more how to learn. There is a two concentrations of platforms are there. The one is Windows platform and another one is Linux platform. So you understand keenly at least in one operating system and with the server configurations. There you can keenly observe to start practicing these tools, how to configure, how to give up permissions and how to maintain the repository, how these DevOps to communicate with the cloud environments. Those are like AWS or Azure, Kubernetes or any other which you passion. So learn any one like a criteria of a technologies and start learning, and this is also best for who are seeking like a low code or non coding jobs. If you know like a basic way how to write the lines of code, or else there are ready-made built-in templates are also there to making a configuration files. So want to learn more in DevOps, start learn today and make a strong potential of your career. Thank you.